Hi Pre-Prep, this is Miss Graham from the Misty Copeland classroom. I hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to teach us a little lesson called Guess My Rule. And what we're going to be using for this are all of those beautiful shapes that we made over the last couple of days. But today it's going to be a sorting game. So I'm going to be using our shapes and I'm going to be putting some shapes together on this side and some shapes together on this side. And in my head, I have a rule that I want you to think about. The question is, why do these shapes go together over here and these shapes go together over here? You're going to have to figure that out. So I'm going to tilt my camera down so you can see all of our shapes, and on my little table, I put a little line down the middle. I used a ruler. And I'm going to start putting my shapes down. Some on this side, some on this side. And I want you to figure out what is the rule. So let's start easy and we'll get a little trickier. So I'm going to put a triangle over here and a parallelogram over there. I'm going to put another triangle over here, put a circle over here, put a rhombus right over here. I'm going to put a sector right over here. I'm going to put a triangle right here. I'm going to put a hexagon over here. I'm going to put a sector over here. I'm going to put a triangle over here. And I'm going to put a square right here. Do you know what the rule is? I put all of my triangles on this side, and any shape that's not a triangle goes over here. So all of our other shapes. So the rule is, if you're a triangle, you stay together. If you're not a triangle, you go with the other shapes. Now, I'm going to get a little trickier, so I'm going to get rid of these shapes, and we're going to get some other ones over here. Now, pay close attention. I'm going to put a rectangle over here. I'm going to put an oval over here. I'm going to put a sector right here. I'm going to put a pentagon over here. I'm going to put a rhombus over here. Ooh, I have another pentagon. That's going to go right here. And I have a hexagon. That's going to go on this side. Ooh, I have a big oval. I'm going to put that over here. I have a little sector. That's going to go right there. Ooh, I have a funky octagon. That's going to go over here. I have a long oval. That'll go right there. I have a trapezoid. That'll go right there. I have a circle. That'll go on this side. And I have an oval. That'll go right here. So, can you guess the rule? If I have a curved shape, that's going to go over here. So our sectors have a curve, our ovals are one big curve, and our circles are all big curves. If I have only straight sides, I'm going to go over here, like our hexagons and our squares and our rectangles and our pentagons and our trapezoids. Those sides are all straight. So the rule is, if you have a curve, you go over here. If you have all straight sides, you go on this side. So we're going to play one more time. It's going to get a little trickier. We're going to put this pentagon over here. We're going to put this sector over here. We're going to put this rhombus over here. We're going to put this oval over here. We're going to put this rectangle over here. We're going to put this parallelogram over here. We're going to put this little bitty circle right here. We're going to put this sector right here. We're going to put this trapezoid over here. We're going to put this square over here. We're going to put this oval over here. We're going to put this little oval over here. We're going to put this hexagon over here. Now, it looks like last time, but I'm going to add in 2 triangles. So we're going to put 2 triangles, and they're going to go on this side. Do you know what the rule is? Every shape that has 4 or more sides is going on this side. So our rectangle has 4 sides, our pentagon has 5 sides, our trapezoid has 4 sides, our parallelogram has 4 sides, and our hexagon has 6 sides. But if you have 3 or less sides, you go over here. So our triangle has 3. Our other triangle has 3. Our sector has 2 straight sides, and we don't have any sides on our circles and our ovals. So I hope you had fun playing along at home, and you can use your shapes at home to make all different types of rules and play all different types of ways. Have fun!